Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to I am your host, Tyrone Bridges. Let's get it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to welcome you. We want you to sit back and relax your mind while
Check.
we express the way we
Check.
feel this
1, 2.
We hope that our musical vibrations leave an everlasting experience with you.
Share this, please.
Go out and spread the
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, everybody. I am your host of I Thought You Knew, Tyrone Bridges, and I have an anonymous caller here from Ypsilanti that would like to speak with the public about a situation that they are having. Anonymous caller, please talk to the public. Hello?
Hello. Yes. On June 14th, you're
Yeah.
breaking up. I don't know if you can hear me.
Like we can hear you perfectly.
Okay, on June 14th of 2021, last Monday, my 17-year-old son was arrested for assaulting me. He was held in Washtenaw County Jail for 2 days. I got a recall letting me know that he was about to be released and a no contact order had been put on him, so he couldn't return to the home. I talked with his attorney earlier before that hearing he had to be released. And CMH, they said they were working on getting him a bed in the facility for teens. Apparently that didn't happen. Later on that evening, I got a call from Child Protective Service saying she was on her way up to the jail. She said if I didn't get someone up there to pick him up, that I would be put on a registry list and another child in my home would be taken out and it'd be considered neglect. She said she understood my situation and said she felt bad for me, but due to Michigan laws, that's how it's set up. There was no way for me to go pick him up because the no contact order, and I didn't have anyone at that time to go pick him up. I was able to get someone to pick him up that said they would house him until his upcoming court date, which is this Thursday at 9 a.m. I haven't received anything from the courts, but the thing is a child protective case has been opened against me. And I think that is illegal and unfair because I am the victim and I feel like I'm being victimized again by the justice system. So I just wanted parents to be aware of this. And this wasn't the first time my son had assaulted me. And the night he was arrested, 2 other officers was hurt trying to arrest him because he didn't want to listen to their commands and let them arrest him. He was charged with assault against me 2 months prior, where they booked him and released him the next day and chose not to pick up the case against him. So I just want to get on here and let everybody know, all the parents out there, what I'm being told by the Sheriff Department, Child Protective Service, is that when the teenagers fall into the 17-year-old age range, that is a gray area for them. So basically, the parents are still being prosecuted regarding if they're the victim or not, or if someone else out there being victimized by the 17-year-old, it's all against the parent.
All right. Is there anything else you would like to share with us?
No, not at this time, but I want to thank you so much for allowing me to come on here and get this story out, because I think this is so important, overwhelming to know that I'm being threatened to be put on a registry where I can't be around kids, to have another child who hasn't done nothing to be removed from the home, all because I was assaulted by my son, that's 17 years old. and the justice system released him without having any type of plan and order or place for him to go.
All righty. All righty. If you don't have anything else to say, I can take it from here. And if you'd like to stay on and listen to what I have to say to the public about this, and make my appeal to the public to look into this matter and be outraged and concerned. This is a mother that just explained her story to you. Civil rights attorneys, also anybody that didn't heard this story, if you have any advocacies, anybody that's maybe a social worker or somebody that could possibly reach out to this family and help this family get the correct justice that she is seeking to aid her child. This is Tyrone Bridges, what I thought you knew, making this public appeal. The system is broken here. As we see, as we heard today, the system is broken. We have to have some public eyes on that case. This Thursday, 9 a.m., Zoom, public meeting. Be there. You guys, look here. If you need any more information on this case, I'm pretty sure to come out later. When we get more into this matter and help this woman make sure that the system doesn't damage her reputation and also doesn't fail her son. This is Tyrone Bridges, what I thought you knew, speaking to an anonymous caller here in Washtenaw County, Ypsilanti, Michigan. Thank you very much for coming on the show and sharing your story.